Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this suspension. It actually feels worse than the stock. Look how bouncy that is. I don't know. I'm not really impressed. Also, if you take notice, it lifted the truck a little bit, which isn't a bad thing if you have a Teton. For the Prerunner, you kind of want it to sit a little bit lower. And I even lowered the body mounts all the way to the lowest setting, and it still has a little bit of a lift on it. And I even put the shocks in the highest spot. These preloads, they don't really change the height of the shock. They just change how much tension's on. So I have them set about halfway down, and it's still real sloppy. I put 30 weight in because the stock shocks have 20 weight, but 30 weight just might not be thick enough. So I have 80 weight here, and I'm gonna try and put 80 weight in and see if that makes any difference. Now, one thing I noticed is these shocks, they don't have any bladders in, so that could be the problem there. Okay, so the 80 weight did help just a little bit. Maybe if I preload these springs just a little bit more. So it does help a little bit. I still get some chassis slam, not quite as bouncy. All right, so let's get this body on, throw a battery in, and let's take it to the track, hit some jumps, and test out these shocks.
I wish I could just land a jump here. There we go. So I don't know, it does slam on the chassis a lot, but I don't notice a huge difference. The truck handles okay. So these shocks aren't too bad. I'm gonna try and launch off this lip right here. Well, that'll do it for the Prerunner on the upgraded shocks. They're not the best. I'd recommend putting the heavier weight in. but they do look really cool. I'll leave a link to the shock mounts and the shocks down below in the description. So that'll do it on the shock upgrade for the Latrax Prerunner. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button.